Imagine opening a bank app, a hospital portal, or a cloud dashboard, and finding that the quietest piece of it is also the weakest door. Not the front page, not the password box. One tiny open source package, pulled from a chain so normal that nobody sees it anymore. That is why IBM and Red Hat's Project Lightwell matters. The headline number is $5 billion. But the real story is the vault they are trying to build around code that everyone already uses. Open source is not a hobby corner anymore. It is the floor under cloud systems, AI tools, financial apps, government services, and the dashboards companies run every day. When one dependency is trusted, thousands of systems can inherit that trust. When one dependency is poisoned, the same path can carry damage. So Project Lightwell is not just a donation story. It is an inspection story. The idea is to create a stronger clearinghouse for enterprise-grade open-source software, with IBM and Red Hat putting money, engineering, and security process behind the pieces companies depend on. Think of every package as a shipping crate. Most crates are useful. Some are old. Some have a known crack. Some get patched fast. And some are attacked because they sit on the route into bigger systems. That is the pressure point. The internet was built by sharing code quickly. Security now has to move just as fast. AI makes that harder and more urgent. It can help defenders scan code, summarize risk, and find vulnerable patterns. But the same speed can help attackers search for weak packages, generate exploit paths, or test more guesses than a human team could. That does not mean every open source project is unsafe. It means trust can no longer be invisible. It has to be measured, scanned, signed, updated, and watched. The important part is the middle layer. Developers do not want to pause every product just to inspect every library from zero. Security teams do not want mystery code flowing into production. Companies want a path where the useful speed of open source survives, but the hidden risk gets exposed earlier. That is the vault idea. Not a wall around open source. A stronger scanner on the route from public code to critical systems. If Project Lightwell works, the value is not only fewer emergency patches. It is faster trust. A bank can move. A hospital can update. A cloud team can ship. And the dependency chain does not have to feel like a dark tunnel. But this is not solved just because the announcement is large. $5 billion buys attention, engineers, tooling, and pressure. It does not erase old code. It does not maintain every library overnight. It does not remove the need for companies to know what they run. That is the takeaway. The code everyone uses finally has a price tag attached to protecting it. And the next software crisis may not start with a dramatic hack on the front door. It may start with one trusted crate, deep in the stack, moving through the system before anyone looks inside.